how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits on your iPad. First, you want to launch Roblox and search Blox Fruits. Then join the game and tap play to enter Blox Fruit. Then you want to find the crew selection and then press the main menu. Go to crews, tap the crews option if you're already a part of a crew, and you'll see your crew listed here. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to either join one or create a new one. If you're creating a new one, just tap create crew and you'll need to give your crew name and a description. Then you'll be asked to pay a small fee in BLI, which is the in-game currency, to create the crew. Then you want to design your crew logo. You can do this by finding the crew logo section in the crew menu, then tap on edit logo option to open up the logo creation tool. Then you can customize the logo by choosing the base shape. In the logo editor, you'll be able to choose from the different base shapes and templates for your logo. Pick one that fits your style of your crew. You can also customize the colors and add text or symbols. Then you can also adjust logo design. Once you're done, you just want to preview your logo and then save it. Tap save to finalize your design. Your crew's logo will be visible to everyone in your crew and on your crew page. You can also use your logo in-game. Set the logo as your crew's emblem. After saving, the logo becomes your crew's official emblem. This will be shown in the crew menu and will represent your crew in the game. Then see it in action. The logo will appear on the crew's flag and any crew-related events or spot in the game. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.